Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Sunday, 3rd of March. And thank you so much for 10,000 people. It's kind of blessed, subs in the month of Ramadan. First of all, uh, happy Ramadan to all the Muslims out there. And it's been a blessed month, man. It's been really, really a good month. What a way to kick off Ramadan for me, actually. Okay, 10K subs. Blessed month is up on my way. I just feel really, really blessed at this point of time. And yeah, one more thing before we dive into the Bitcoin update, I do have a course for you. If you want to get it for 29 bucks, come and join me into the Discord and message me on the Discord. Okay, so what is going on with Bitcoin is going to be fairly a very straightforward update now. The first things first, we saw yesterday that Bitcoin just went up here, came down to this level, back testing the level, holding the level right here, and it's not looking to go to the downside. It's not interested to lose these levels. And tomorrow is Monday. Today's we have 15 more hours to close this one. So if weekday starts, and we do know weekdays is a good day, and Mondays are really, really good instead, or the weekends actually dump to the downside and not Mondays. So this is really, really nice to look at. Really, really nice to look at. Trust me. And at this point of time, guys, I'm gonna show you one near target that I expect out of this, fall to the downside. So you see, this is a double bottom on the daily that I actually noticed, and that's a W that you broke out of. So I'm gonna take this top to the bottom right here, and this is where you're breaking out. I do see expect that 53,000 is on the cards. $53,800 is on the cards, and potentially from there, out of the ascending triangle, we're gonna go to $57,000, and that's what I look at this point of time. No fancy stories, guys. I just want to dive into the monthly and show you one more thing on the EMA. And this EMA here, you see the 10 EMA, Bitcoin is actually above the 10 EMA. Just look at that. Look at that. Okay, you are being supported at the 10 EMA. You haven't lost it, and it just crawled to the downside and it's holding it. And it seems like this 10 EMA is gonna push Bitcoin this month to go to the upside to those price targets potentially. And if you do go up there, I do expect in the month of May as well, you're gonna actually go to the upside. Who knows? Take the all-time high and continue to ride the bulls to the upside. So what are we doing here? What are we doing? If you actually notice this on the monthly time frame, though, it seems like you're putting in a nice, beautiful W. Do you see that? He went down like this, went up, came down, put a W right there, go up like this. And if this one does play out and you start to break out of this level and backtest and hold that level on a monthly time frame, then I'm going to tell you the next technical targets from there to there. If you start to break out of here, I do expect Bitcoin to go to $100,000. But this is a big question mark right now. If you actually break out and if this becomes a double bottom, right now it's not confirmed or anything. We're going to see how this one plays out in the next coming few days and weeks, couple of weeks potentially. And that's it for the update, guys. I do expect now Bitcoin to actually with ease, like a boss, go up to 53,000 unless you don't start to calm down and take out this wick right over here, which is going to be 44,297 or 246. If you start to lose that level, then potentially you're coming down to the 41K. Simple put. Now you have to understand that. But to me, it seems like the retest is successful. Altcoins are looking good to pump to the upside. Doesn't make sense. I've been saying this for quite a time, that it doesn't make sense to me that Bitcoin goes to the downside, because there are many technical targets pending to the upside. No sense for Bitcoin to roll down. And that's it for the update, guys. Do check out the course, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.